In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list on Clickup in just 5 minutes. Clickup is an all-in-one suite of productivity tools designed to save time by centralizing your tasks and documents. Whether you're a one-person show or part of a sprawling team, getting organized with Clickup can significantly enhance your workflow. So, let's dive in and start making your work life easier and more organized. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Clickup. It's the hub where you can manage tasks, docs, goals, and more. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Clickup's main page. Once you're there, you'll feel one step closer to streamlining your projects and tasks. Now, to get things rolling, you'll need to log into your Clickup account. If it's your first visit, you're going to feel the excitement of starting a new journey towards productivity. Hit the login button and you're prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use the email associated with your Clickup account. This ensures a smooth login process without any hitches. Following the email, you'll be asked to enter your password. We all know the drill. Your password is that special key that keeps your account secure, so type it in carefully. If you've forgotten it, don't sweat. There's always a way to reset it. But assuming you're all set, input your password to proceed. Once your credentials are accepted, you'll spot the login button. Click it with anticipation because you're about to enter your productivity's new command center. It's a thrilling step as you're about to unlock a world where managing tasks becomes a breeze. Upon successful login, you'll be directed to your Clickup homepage. Here you can see all your spaces and tasks at a glance. This is your workspace. Think of it as your digital desk where everything you need to get your job done is right in front of you. From your homepage, it's time to start creating. Look for the option titled Space, and then look for Create Items. It's in these spaces where your projects come to life, where tasks get broken down, and where your workflow begins to emerge. Clicking on Create Items is your first step toward crafting a more organized environment. After clicking on Create Items, select List. The list in Clickup allows you to group tasks, making it easier to categorize your work for better clarity. Whether it's a list for marketing tasks, development stages, or just personal to-dos, lists keep you on track. Next, you'll need to specify where you want this list to live within Clickup. Click on Select Location. This is critical for maintaining a well-organized workspace, ensuring that each piece of your project puzzle fits exactly where it should. This setup helps you and your team find things at a glance without any confusion. Now breathe life into your list by giving it a name. Make it descriptive yet concise, something that instantly gives you and your colleagues an idea of what tasks the list contains. This step is more than just a formality. It's about starting to structure your work in a way that makes sense at just a glance. Finally, with your list details set, hit the Create button. It's a small click that marks the beginning of a more organized and efficient you. The satisfaction of creating something that's going to help you tackle your workload cannot be overstated. And that's it, you've successfully created a list on Clickup. But the journey doesn't end here. Explore, experiment, and customize your workspaces and lists to fully harness the power of Clickup. Remember, productivity tools are most effective when they're tailored to fit how you work. Thank you for walking through this tutorial with me. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to more productive days. Here's to getting things done more efficiently and freeing up time for what matters most to you. See you in the next video where we'll dive even deeper into making Clickup work for you.